you can see the United States Marine Corps MV-22 Osprey. These are from the VMM 774, the Wild Goose. Now the MV-22 Osprey is the Marine Corps' medium lift capable tilt rotor, short takeoff and landing aircraft. And as they come from the right, they did a vertical takeoff. They're going to stay in semi-vertical mode as they transition. You can see the landing gear has retracted. The engine nacelles are beginning to rotate as they accelerate the aircraft. Ladies and gentlemen, right here, this is the Osprey. From VMM 774, the Wild Goose, they are here to show you the capabilities of this beautiful Marine Corps MV-22 Osprey. From the left, here's the Osprey. North Carolina.
太远，那地儿太远，太小，还是从这去。
我这块能看见飞机过来。
太小。
站在这儿先到一个。过来。
太小，还是在这边。正。别太细节，一张好照片，进过来。现在低速了，想录下一个。
Did you see that transition? Those nacelles rotated from being straight forward. A very smooth transition to now into the vertical mode, or the hover mode. Short takeoff, vertical takeoff and landing here, the MV-22 Osprey. A cliff and get our folks as close as they can. Now they also are special forces groups in addition.
So I would take that over the China-Russia situation all day, because true integration is how you make things happen. I just wanted to point that out to you guys. And then I want you to give a huge round of applause to Lieutenant Colonel Danielle Kleptos too. So it is truly the most integrated of commands. We work the entire spectrum of operation, all 6 branches from both the United States and Canada, from Space Force to the Coast Guard.